Hi there. So today we are going to talk about FlutterFlow. FlutterFlow is an online platform for mobile application development. You can create beautiful applications faster using FlutterFlow. So for that, you will just need to type flutterflow.io, press enter. You will see this page. Click on sign in. As I already have my sign in, okay, it is not showing that option anyway. So you will see this page. If you want, you can just sign in with Google. That will help you a lot. Otherwise, you can choose any other options as given above. I'm going to choose sign in with Google. You just need to choose what account you want to work with. Now this account I have never created Flutter projects with. Okay, so I will click on create new for creating a new project. There are all other options available here like projects. When you click on the projects, you will see all the options that you have, all the projects, already existing projects that you have created. Right now we don't have anything, so it just gives me this option create new. Then here you will see marketplace where you can just buy all the external UI UX templates and all available here. Okay, we will talk about this sometime later. Then my organization, if you have your organization, your team, you can collaborate with them. You can just add your team members and work together. We have resources, so these are other resources that are available with FlutterFlow. Perks program, so we don't have anything as of now here. Okay, we do have, sorry. So here you do have this upgrade to access perks and all the other options. You can add Algolia, you can add Intercom, you can add Tela, you can add Google Cloud, you can add all these things together and work with. Okay, so there are so many other options available. We will discuss about this sometime later. Let us come back to projects. Let us just see what all options do we have. Now this is my project, this is my account. Here you have all these options available. If I want to delete account, if I want to manage my billing, upgrade plan, this is a free plan, Blaze plan I have. Then you can click on logout if you want to. You can click on upgrade. So this will give you many other options. Free, so you get all these options here. You can create core, you can access to core platform features. You can use pre-built templates. You can use Firebase integration. You can use Firestore content management, to API endpoints. All these you can do. All right. If you have 900 per month standard plan, you will have additional features like APK download and code download. All right. And when you have 2100 per month pro version of your application or pro version of FlutterFlow, then you will get all these options available with you. Okay. So right now I'm just using standard, free version of it. Let us see what we have in free version. Let us go to projects, create new project. I can choose any template out of these. Okay, when you just hover your mouse there, you will see that this template has 19 screen, Firestore connection, push notification, custom function, group chat, triggered animation, user generated content, and guaranteed smiles. All these things you have in this sample. Okay, like that here, what all things are available, you will get all the options here. Okay, you can choose this template. Otherwise we can just create from blank. So now it requires a name, my first project. Okay, project name has to start with a letter. Okay, let me click on create blank. So now this is giving me a tour to FlutterFlow. I can go to next or I can skip. Okay, just telling me all these options, all the support given by the FlutterFlow community on YouTube. You can just access them. Otherwise, you can just click on start building, or you can go to tutorial, choose whatever you want to. Now this is the basic screen that I have. Now let me tell you what FlutterFlow is. Let me give you a brief introduction of it. All right. So here we have created a new project. Okay. This is a simple page that I see. Here are the orientation. Like I can select the screen sizes from here. Okay. What all I want. Right now we will be talking about mobile. The first thing on the left panel that you see is the build. Okay, if you click on this, it will just collapse. If you click on it, it will open up. Here you have Flutter widgets, then you have components, then templates, and Okay, give me a minute. And you have theme widgets. All right. So we will explore all of these in the coming video. So that we will see later. Let me just show you what do we have in widgets. Okay, Flutter widgets. So these are all commonly used widgets like text widget, column, row, container, image. Then we have so many widgets related to layout. Then base elements like this, text, rich text, image, circle image, icon, all these things that you need in your beautiful project. Okay, then you have page elements, app bar, floating action button, drawer and drawer. Okay, then form elements. Okay, that will help you to create form. All these options are available here. You can choose any one of them. It's very simple to use any one of them. Like if I want to use a text, let me just drag and drop it here. When I drag and drop my text, you will see this hello world here. By default, it is hello world as we know. So this is a simple hello world text which is available here, which we have just added. So when I click on this particular text field, you can see the ID of it. If you want, you can just change it to TV hello. Okay. Then if you want, you can just change the styling of it. You can change this text to maybe anything you want. Julie. Then how you want to choose the responsiveness. If you want to deselect any one of them, you may. Like if I don't want this text to appear here in the landscape mode, I can disable it from here. So this we will explore sometime later, as I told you. Then opacity, if I want, I can just reduce it. As you can see, it is getting transparent. So this is opacity. Then if I want, I can choose padding to it. So if I just select any one of it, like if I put 10, you will see that 10 pixels have been left out from above. If I want the padding from all four sides, then I'll just lock this, and you'll see the distance from all four sides. Okay, then I can choose the alignment where I want to show this. Okay, where I want this to appear, I can choose the alignment. Then this is the default text style. Now we will explore all of these slowly. So one of these is selected, which is body medium. Okay, that's theme text style. I can choose this family out of here, whatever I want to. Right now, let it be the default one. Then the font weight, the styling, underline, strike through, what you want. Okay. Then font size, color, primary color. So you can choose your color from here. If you want, you can just change it. Okay. Then all the related options to the text view. Now remember, if you choose image or image view or any other widget out of here, maybe button or row or column, you will have the options related to it. That is, these are the attributes of this particular widget. All right. So right now we are seeing the attributes only related to the text view. Okay. There are some other options also available. Like this one is properties. Then we have actions. You can choose actions. If you have backend query, you connect with the database. Then you have animations if you want to show any. Then you have documentation and semantic labels. All right. So right now we have just talked about the properties of any particular widget.